Omnisenders. I'm greeting you straight from the Omnipol workshop, where we've been busy packing up the latest updates we've prepared for you this holiday season. So grab your hot cocoa, settle in, and let's take a look at what's new. Better reports. Oh, this is a big one! We've made tracking your performance so much simpler. Now you can view sales across email, SMS, and push notifications all in one report. Want to overview your engagement and deliverability? Done. Need new metrics like placed order rate or revenue by message? They're all here. And the best part, it's super easy to read, so you can spend less time analyzing and more time actually taking action. And this one goes out to all the nice Omnisender boys and girls. Forms. Oh, we've got 2 gifts here for you this time, and I know you're going to love them. First, you can now schedule start and end times for your forms with an hour and minute precision. Perfect for those midnight sales or campaigns that need to end exactly on time. And for the second gift, countdown timers just got a whole lot smarter. Now when the timer ends, the form will turn off automatically. That means no more outdated offers hanging around like that fruitcake no one eats. Email builder. Dark mode fans, this one's for you. With the dark mode preview, you'll see exactly how your emails look in full dark mode. Though that's not for clients like Apple Mail and Gmail on iOS. Or partial dark mode used by Outlook on iOS and Gmail on Android. Think of it like checking out Christmas lights at night. They just be hitting different. Automations. Accidentally deleted a workflow? Fear not. After all, it's Christmas, the season of forgiveness and second chances. So now, within 90 days, you can restore deleted workflows all by yourself. No support tickets, no waiting, just sweet, sweet redemption. And if you get it right away, you can hit undo in the confirmation message to bring it back instantly. Pretty handy, right? Product reviews. You've been asking and we're delivering. Now you can export your product reviews directly from Omnisend. Whether it's for analysis or just to keep your records tidy, exporting is quick, easy, and available right now in your account. Just head to the store settings button in the review tab or find it under the review section in store settings. UI improvements. Alright, it's time for... Oh? What is this? I must have had way too much cocoa I don't remember seeing this here. I remember now. The good people from Omnisend wanted me to read this for you. Dear Omnisenders, we've made a few upgrades that will make your life easier. First, error messages in the form builder are now super clear, so you don't waste any time wondering what went wrong. Second, navigation between platform sections is now quicker and smoother. Zoom, zoom. Next, reporting in automations is clearer than ever. We've optimized the pages to help you get to the key data faster. Your brand colors will now automatically appear in the email builder, so you don't have to worry about your color matching. We know how stressful that can get. Copying workflows? Now it's easier with clearer options for available destination stores and tooltips that explain any restrictions. And finally, deliverability. Error messages have been improved for SPF and DKIM troubleshooting. Basically, fewer headaches and more time for eggnog. Happy holidays. And that's it for December. We hope these presents will help you finish the year strong, impress your boss, and maybe even sneak in a holiday nap or two. Until then, happy marketing, and may all your emails land in the inbox. Oh.